objective. So right now, you have an idea of what kindness is now. In 100 years, it's going to change. In 1,000 years, it's going to change again. And it's different today than it was 100 years ago.
Yes.
And it's different from 1,000 years ago. We need objective morality. We need something, a creator that gives us guidance, because I know you believe in a creator, but you don't prescribe to any specific religion. And I'm arguing that the creator of the heavens and the earth, there is a creator, and has given us guidance for our long-term well-being, for societal cohesion and benefit for the humanity. But how do we know where that guidance is? And I would say it would have to meet a few criteria. It would have to be perfectly preserved. The message can't have any contradictions in it. It has to be objectively verifiable to be true.
You've got to be really careful though, because people will take that literally, and in some religions you have fanatics and they will take it literally, and then they take it extremely.
I mean it literally. I hope they take it literally.
That's dangerous.
I would say
are dangerous.
I would say if the entire world was full of extremist Muslims, the world would be a better place.
No.
Let me clarify. Let me clarify. Because Islam comes from the root word peace. Muslim means someone who submits to the Creator. Now, if I claim to be an extremist vegan, but I have to have 5 hamburgers a day, I'm no longer a vegan. Extremist Muslim means someone who's extremely honest, extremely kind. I'm obligated by religion to be kind to my mother, to be kind to my wife, to be kind to strangers.
To be kind to them regardless of your religion.
I would say that I wouldn't know how to be kind to them because I'll be told by society. I'll be like, yeah, it's okay, let me send my old parents to old people's home. But Islam says that, look, they raised me while I was young, now that they're old, I need to look after them.
Yeah, but I believe that of my parents. And
Anyway,
my parents,
irrespective,
my
yeah,
parents
yeah.
are Muslim or Christian or
Your
Buddhist.
dad's an atheist.
My dad's an atheist.
Yeah.
So,
But I agree that your morality, your idea of kindness is good, but it's but then that's influenced by the society.
it's not influenced by religion.
How do you, regardless, I would say it is, because then we're getting our moral code from scripture and Christianity, or depending on how long it was and so on and so forth.
I'm not, because I'm not from a religious background. I was,
But you, with all due respect, excuse me, I don't even know your name. What I mean by that is, everything that you're taught was someone learned it from somewhere. So they learned from someone who learned from someone, and that knowledge got passed down. So now you're thinking that you're making a autonomous, independent decision on how to be kind.
yes, but it's not.
I would argue, but you're not.
Religion. It's been labelled by.
I'm not. By the way, I'm not saying religion. By the way, I'm saying for objective morality, we need a creator. That creator tells us what's the pinnacle of goodness. Does that make sense? So it's like, be kind to your parents. How to be kind? I might think seeing my parents once a year is an act of kindness. Yeah, but I don't know that. Look, I have to financially support them. I have to make sure that they're fed. I have to reciprocate the mercy and kindness they show me. And even if they wasn't kind to me, one of the things Islam teaches, right, is if my parents are non-Muslims, I still have to be kind to them. I still have to obey them as non-Muslims, as long as they don't teach or say anything that makes me blaspheme.
Okay, so as a Muslim, how do you feel about other people that aren't Muslim? Do you see them as an equal?
What do you mean by equal?
Well, like the average person on the street that isn't a Muslim.
I would say
the same.
I'm quite empathetic.
Okay.
So when I see a non-Muslim, I genuinely feel like, oh my gosh, you don't have the correct beliefs in the Creator of the heavens and earth to enter paradise. I feel fear that, look, where are you getting your purpose of life from? Where are you getting your guidance from? Right now, I'm not getting paid. I'm here giving up a Saturday. I work full time. chatting to people, introducing them to Islam. I think the question you're asking is,